If you're considering the Club Swan Debit Card, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this unique financial tool, from the advantages it offers to the potential drawbacks you need to be aware of. Let's get right into it. The Club Swan Debit Card is designed for those looking for a high-end global debit card that integrates crypto and fiat currencies, making it a versatile choice for international travelers, crypto enthusiasts, and anyone looking to manage multiple currencies easily. Advantages. One of the major perks of the Club Swan Debit Card is the ability to hold and spend in both cryptocurrencies and traditional currencies. If you're someone who frequently uses Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other major cryptos, this card gives you seamless integration with your digital wallet. You can convert your crypto to fiat currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, and more, which can be extremely useful when traveling or making everyday purchases. Another benefit is the concierge service, which adds a touch of luxury for users who appreciate personal assistance for travel bookings, restaurant reservations, and more. The card also supports international usage, meaning you can spend globally without worrying about whether your card will work in different countries. Disadvantages. However, it's important to be aware of the costs associated with the card. Club Swan does have membership fees, which can be considered steep compared to other debit cards. Additionally, the crypto conversion fees, depending on market fluctuations, could add up if you're regularly converting large amounts of cryptocurrency. Another potential downside is that not everyone may benefit from the concierge service. If you don't frequently need luxury services, you might find yourself paying for a feature you don't often use. Services overview. Club Swan offers a range of services beyond the debit card itself. With the card, you get access to cryptocurrency buying and selling, multi-currency accounts, and the ability to make payments or withdrawals from ATMs worldwide. The concierge service mentioned earlier is included for Club Swan members, providing 24/7 assistance with lifestyle needs, including travel arrangements, exclusive events, and even medical assistance while abroad. The card's app allows for easy management of your account, making it simple to check balances, make transfers, and handle currency conversions on the go. Costs. As with any financial product, understanding the costs is crucial. Club Swan operates on a membership-based model, with several tiers ranging from basic to premium. Each membership comes with a different monthly fee, and higher-tiered memberships offer more benefits like lower currency exchange fees and higher spending limits. The membership fees start at around $129 per month, and it's important to weigh whether the services and perks justify the cost for your personal needs. Keep in mind that there are also conversion fees when switching between cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, as well as potential ATM withdrawal fees depending on your location. In conclusion, the Club Swan Debit Card is a solid option if you're looking for a card that combines the flexibility of crypto with the convenience of a global debit card. Its premium services cater to a specific audience, so it's essential to consider whether the benefits align with your lifestyle and financial habits. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more honest and detailed reviews on the latest financial tools.